Question of the day. Can you watch every single World Cup game on Amazon Prime? Well, technically you can, but there's a catch. Now for the Amazon Prime basic membership, unfortunately, FIFA Soccer 2026 is not included. Now what you're gonna need to do is do a premium add-on, and then with that, you can watch every single World Cup game on Amazon Prime. Now the premium add-on you're gonna have to do is gonna be Fox One. And if you don't wanna hear me talk at all whatsoever, go to the link in the description, just click it, it'll take you right there on Prime. But it is gonna be Fox One, and that's gonna carry every single World Cup game that we got. Now that's for the English broadcast. If you wanna do the Spanish broadcast, it's gonna be a different premium add-on, and that is gonna be Peacock, okay? And again, link in the description, real fast, you can just head over there and it'll take you exactly where you need to go. So yes, you can watch every single World Cup game on Prime, but you're gonna need that premium add-on. And that's it. Go enjoy some soccer. USA, USA.